UNO was established at option A, California, option B, Los Angeles, option C, Virginia, and the option D is Washington. And the right option is California. How many minutes are there in a full week? Option A, 10,050, option B, 10,060, 10,070, or 10,080. The right option is 10,080 minutes are there in a full week. How many elements are there in periodic table? Option A, 115, option B, 116, option C, 117, and option D is 118. What is the right option? 118. What company was originally called Cadabra? We have option Google, Pepsi, Amazon, Nike. The right option is Amazon. Which is the only body part that is fully grown from birth? We have option I, heart, teeth, nose. The right option is I. What is a group of crows called? Option A, a murder, option B, a swarm, option C, a herd, and option D, a flock. The right option is a murder. What is the group of bees is called? A murder, a swarm, a herd, or a flock? The right option is a swarm.